Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English, where learning English is fun and easy.
The older I get, the less I care about being right, and the more I care about being kind.
Let's break it down.
The older I get,
The older I get, old, old. Repeat. The older I get, the older I get, usage examples. Older. My brother is older than me. The building looks older than it actually is. She is the older of the two sisters. The older I get, the more I understand. I am going to the store. I love reading books. I have a dog. I am tired. Get? You will get tired if you keep working. He will get angry if you mention it. The older I get, the more I appreciate my parents.
the less I care about being right,
The less I care about being right. Repeat. The less I care. The less I care about being right. About being right. Usage examples. Less. The less you worry, the happier you'll be. She has less time to study these days. I need to spend less money on clothes. He's less interested in sports than I am. I don't care what people think. She cares a lot about her job. Do you care if I go out tonight? We should care more about the environment. I am thinking about going on a trip. What do you know about him? She is worried about her exams. I read a book about history. I enjoy being with my friends. He hates being late. They are being noisy. Right. I think you're right. This is the right way to do it. He always believes he is right.
And the more I care about being kind.
And the more I care about being kind, repeat. And the more I care. And the more I care about being kind. Or about being kind. Usage examples. And she likes apples and oranges. I need to go to the bank and the post office. He can read and write. We can stay here and wait. More. I need more time to finish the project. She has more books than me. The more you practice, the better you get. We need to hire more people. I don't care what she thinks. Do you care about the environment? He doesn't care about his health. Kind. She is a kind person. It was very kind of you to help. Be kind to each other. They are kind to animals. The older I get, the more I understand. The faster you run, the more tired you get. The colder it is, the more I want to stay inside. The more he works, the more he earns. The more you read, the more you learn. The more he practices, the more confident he feels. The more she worries, the less she sleeps. The more you eat sweets, the less healthy you feel. Vocabulary recap. The old, older. I get less. About being right and more kind. Read. Listen.
The older I get, the less I care about being right, and the more I care about being kind.
Would you like to see more videos like this one? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.